Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download ChatGPT app in laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in chatgpt.com, and once you do that you'll be seeing an interface like this. Now all you gotta do is click on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen on your browser, and then it will drop down a menu. And once you do that, here you'll find option that says more tools. Simply hover over it, and then you'll find another option that says create shortcut. All you gotta do is click on that, and once you do that, here a small dialog box will appear asking you to create shortcut. Now all you gotta do is simply name it ChatGPT, and then check this open as window box, and then tap on create. And once you do that, the ChatGPT will be opened as a window in your laptop, which basically means you have downloaded the ChatGPT app in your laptop. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.